Hola, buen dia.
Hola! Okay, today is a Saturday and it's a gloomy Saturday afternoon now. It's 16 degrees Celsius and we're going for a walk.
Yeah, we're going back to Senda del Nora. Kasi last time, dumiretso kami ng Parque Principado.
Yes.
So this time, pupuntahan talaga namin yung other part ng Senda del Nora.
Yeah. So I think 20k steps na naman to. Sama ulit kayo sa trip namin. Welcome to Senda del Nora.
You hear that?
Relaxing. Birds chirping.
That's our Spotify for today.
Yeah. That will be us in the future. Para siyang wild plants tapos may bulaklak din siya, di ba?
Here.
Gracias. Is this the end of Senda del Nora?
Yeah, I think.
Ay, dear, may mga baka doon. Yeah, and that's the bell.
Lo asesina, porque encima lo
Okay.
Shell.
We're back to Senda.
Oh, yeah. And there's the more beef there.
This one,
Rio Nora. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hi! Hola! Hola!
Kaya pala, maganda yung mga damo dun kasi kinakain.
Flat lang siya, no? May supermerkado din yung Shell dito.
Magkano ang gas ngayon dito?
Yeah.
Not sure kung kita siya. Pero parang basa ko 1.8, 1.5, 1.9, tsaka 1.6. Bakit na Philippines? Sa Shell lang kami nagpapagas eh.
Yeah, that's our favorite gas station. Shout out, Shell.
Baka naman Shell.
The same bridge na metal. Mi amigos, beef. Mi amigos, beef.
Nakakatakot yan. Tingin mo sa baka, beef na.
Mis amigos. Sorry na. We were there kanina sa other side. Dito na kami ngayon, pabalik.
Mhm.
Is this still Senda del
Yeah,
Nora?
I think.
Okay.
Yun yung inakit namin. And we still have a long way to go.
Wala pa tayong 50%. Bago makarating dun sa intersection, wala pa.
Let's go.
Are you sure? Okay ka na?
Mhm.
You breathe through your nose, dear.